Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. It is 8:29 on Saturday the 14th of January. I've just got my weekly shop from Asda. It's been delivered. I'm starting to have this slot like as my weekly one just because it's easier because I haven't got to go out with the kids and we're all here and we're all awake. So yeah, it was, I want to say £56. I have got a delivery save with Asda, so I pay £6 a month and then that gives me unlimited deliveries as and when I want. Who's squealing? Don't squeal, please. I thought she was hurting him. She's not, she's just tickling him. The food shop is for me and the 3 kids who are 8, 7 and 3, and 4 cats. So I will show you exactly what we got, and then after I put it all away, we'll come back and have a chat about our meal plan for the week, which I've actually done this week. So we'll start over here. I've got 2 lots of Maryland little cookie bags and 2 lots of ice gems because the kids really like these as treats for the week. 2 lots of semi-skim milk, a Alpro chocolate milk. We ideally like the protein one, just because it's really high in protein and it's really delicious, but this one will do. A whole milk for Fox. I got quite a lot of the essentials range, which is the yellow stuff, just to see what it's like and to see if it does save us some money. So I got white potatoes, that's 2.5 kilos. I'll put the prices of the essential stuff on it as I do it, or I'll probably list it down below, that'll be easier. Potato pops, I ordered waffles and they didn't send any, so they've sent these, but they look fine. Monster Munch, roast beef, the essentials, plain crisps, Quavers and salt shakes, because this is what the kids want for the week. Multi-pack of beans, 2 lots of cherries and berry squash, because that is what the kids drink and they go through so much. A Galia melon, because these are delicious. 2 lots of new potatoes in a can, a sweet corn. Got myself some chocolate mousses. I've had those before and they're delicious. A veggie rice, like a Philadelphia substitute, but the cheap version. I thought I'd try this. We go through so much like Parmesan-esque cheese, so I thought I would give that a go so we can grate it ourselves. I got grapes, which look delicious. They look really big and yummy, and they were on 2 for £2, so we chose kiwis to see what we think of those. I got some green beans, which again look really good, so I'm excited for those. 3 lots of fake fruit, the kids' yogurts, for lunch boxes and snacks. I got a dark chocolate to try because I'm starting up my cake business again soon and I want to find the best chocolate, so I'm trying all the different supermarkets' own brand chocolates to see what they're like, because Lidl is the winner at the moment because it's just so good, but we'll give this a go. 2 lots of ham for sandwiches, a halloumi, some Freddos for me for snacks, a bag of the grated Parmesan-y stinky cheese, some raspberries which look a little bit squished, so I might just get the kids to have those today, some mini rolls, a huge thing of bacon. I ordered normal muffins, I didn't have any, so I sent farmhouse cheddar, which looks delicious anyway, so I don't mind. Some sponges because I ran out, 2 lots of the garlic bread, and then 2 lots of cat litter. So I am gonna put all this away and then we'll come back and have a chat about the meal plan. Hey, it's the next day, it's Sunday the 15th, it's 6:11 in the morning. I thought I would just come on quickly and do the meal plan for the week with you. I have done it all, I've got it all ready. However, I forgot my best friend is coming to stay Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I think. So it may change slightly depending if her little boy likes the food that I've got. So it may change slightly. Last night we had homemade pizza, so that was just wrapped pizzas. Oh, and I apologise, I'm literally in my bedroom. Fox is over there. I've still got my pyjamas on. I have done my makeup, but I haven't bothered getting ready properly. So just excuse that. I've just got a lot to do today, so I wanted to get this done now. Yeah, homemade pizzas last night, so just wraps used as a base, and then Mika had a bagel as a base because she doesn't like the wraps. Tonight we've got spaghetti bolognese or pasta bolognese. We probably won't have spaghetti. I made the sauce yesterday in my slow cooker, and that will just be reheated tonight. Tomorrow we're having Cajun mince and rice. That is just leftover bolognese with extra ingredients added. I will do like a little short video on how to make that because it is a really yummy way of using up bolognese, because obviously bolognese is yummy, but I don't ever want to eat the same thing 2 days in a row for dinner, so it's just a nice way of using it up. Thursday night if it's okay with my friend, we're going to do fish and chips. So we'll do like, I've got some fish fillets in the freezer, just white fish. So we'll do just those with like some panko breadcrumbs on the top, and then homemade chips, and the kids will have fish fingers and chips. Oh no, that's Tuesday, I'm being thick. That's nothing to do with that. Wednesday, we're going to have chicken wraps. Thursday, we're going to have chicken curry with the leftover chicken from the wraps. I'm going to make like a chicken tikka, and then we'll have some kind of chicken curry if my friend's little boy likes it. Then Friday night, I think I'm going to make some kind of like a fake takeaway for us. So whether that's pizza or maybe salt and pepper chicken, or I don't know, I'll do something. We'll see when she gets here what they like. So that is the plan. Lunches, Mika has a school dinner every week. Aria and Fox have home packed lunches Monday, Tuesday. Foxy's at home Wednesday, and then he has just lunch at home on a Thursday and a Friday. Aria has school packed lunch Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So yeah, and then I've got my cabbage roll in a bowl. My little fish is awake. Watch out, Ari, because I've got a hot drink here. My little fishy. Hello, how did you sleep in your new bedroom?
Good.
Was it comfy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning. Yeah, so that is the meal plan for the week. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.